Within the high walls of Śrī Mandira in Puri, every stone and every placement follows a precise theological logic. The stone Shikhara isn't just a landmark, it marks the center of a complex spiritual system. At the very heart of the temple, on the Ratna Siṃhāsana, 3 deities are seated in a specific, unchanging order. Lord Jagannātha and Balabhadra stand on the outside, with Maa Subhadra seated directly between them. To most observers, this arrangement is explained through family. Maa Subhadra is worshipped as the beloved sister of the 2 brothers. However, looking at the physical layout of the platform, we have to ask why the sister stands at the dead center, rather than to one side. Viewing her only through a familial lens overlooks the deliberate design of the Śrī Mandira tradition. Her position is not a matter of sentiment, but of theological necessity. Long before the modern stories of sibling devotion were popularized, ancient texts described an independent identity for this central figure. This central placement suggests a functional role, an arrangement designed to maintain a specific relationship between the 2 distinct powers on either side of her. To find the origin of this layout, we look to the Mahabrabha and the Harivaṃśa. These ancient records define her through a specific form. In these traditions, she is identified as Ekānaṃśā. Ekānaṃśā is described as an auspicious presence, defined by grace. She is the element sharing an intrinsic divine connection with Lord Kṛṣṇa and Balabhadra simultaneously. Within the temple, Maa Subhadra is the physical manifestation of this Ekānaṃśā form. This means her seat on the Ratna Siṃhāsana is a point of active engagement. She functions as a stabilizing force, regulating the distinct energies of Śrī Jagannātha and Balabhadra. Without this central mediator, these opposing forces drift apart, breaking the tradition's unity. Her grace anchors them, drawing them back into a perfectly balanced system. She is the essential link. Without her, the dual forces of the Jagannatha tradition would lack the balance required to function as a whole. During the Ratha Yatra, this temple layout moves into the streets of Puri. The 3 massive chariots maintain the same order, with Maa Subhadra's chariot always positioned between those of her brothers. Recognizing her as Ekānaṃśā changes the nature of the devotee's worship. She is approached as the source of 3 specific gifts: divine balance, protection, and auspiciousness. This elevates her beyond the role of a sister. She is revered as the mother of grace and the source of unity for the entire tradition. If her role as the stabilizer is ignored, the logic of the entire spiritual system remains incomplete. Jaya Padre Supadre. In the Jagannatha tradition, honoring her grace is the final step in recognizing the unity of the 3 lords. Jai Jagannatha Swami, Nayana Pathagami Bhavatume.